The latest safety evaluation of the new Peugeot 3008 reveals a solid performance across multiple categories, with some areas still having room for improvement. This all-electric compact sport utility vehicle, tested in its 73 kilowatt-hour front-wheel drive version, achieved an overall strong result in the Euro NCAP safety tests for the 2025 model year. In adult occupant protection, the Peugeot 3008 scored 82%. The structure remained stable in frontal impact tests, providing good protection for knees and femurs of both the driver and passenger. Lateral impact tests returned excellent marks, including maximum points in the more severe side pole impact. However, there was only marginal control of far side excursion, and there was no countermeasure to prevent injuries between occupants during side impacts. Child occupant safety was impressive, receiving an 85% score. In both frontal and side impact scenarios, child dummies were well protected. The vehicle supports ISOFIX and iSize seats across multiple positions. Unfortunately, it lacks a child presence detection system, which would alert if a child is left inside the car. When it comes to protecting vulnerable road users, including pedestrians and cyclists, the vehicle earned 79%. The active bonnet and autonomous emergency braking system performed well, particularly in avoiding cyclists. However, protection for pedestrians' heads in areas like the windshield pillars showed weak results. Safety assist features were the weakest point, scoring only 62%. While lane keeping and automatic emergency braking systems worked well, the seatbelt reminders for rear passengers failed Euro NCAP's occupancy detection requirements. The speed limiter and driver attention monitoring features function adequately, though some systems are not automatically activated. It is worth noting that variants with all-wheel drive and larger battery packs were not directly tested, but are covered under the same safety rating. Overall, the 2025 Peugeot 3008 provides good structural integrity and active safety systems, making it a solid option in the compact electric sport utility vehicle segment. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest automotive safety and technology news.